Apple is planning a 15-inch MacBook Air for 2023 and a new 12-inch laptop. They don't have it because they don't have enough laptops for you.
Right.
47 different phones and 52 options for laptops, iPads, and a billion ways to get things done. Because it's the only way we get things done in 2022. And I don't know that we're lacking options, but they're selling these things.
Yeah.
People like them. They might love them. Notice in the chat has trust issues now because of the Nugget situation.
Oh, no.
Can't even move past it. You're doing psychological damage to people at this point. Now, I hope you understand the magnitude of the situation. Will wants to say something. Go ahead, Will.
We're both on the hook here.
Oh.
Like you guys. You two. It's not just Mo.
You say we're both.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. That implies you yourself. What are you on the hook
I guess
for?
we are all.
I have trust issues now.
Bronco Model 3.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bronco. He brought the Bronco into the mix already. 45 seconds into
We
the
haven't even
show.
started
Put it
the
in there.
show.
45 seconds into the show, he brought it in already.
Yeah. We owe the community.
We do.
Yeah. I don't care. Yeah, give me no more choice. Why not? Right now, I think that the new Air they just announced is going to be a great choice for the vast majority of people. But if you want a bigger screen, but you want thin and light, and you don't need this extraordinary, if you don't need that extraordinary power associated with the Pro model chips that Apple's putting out, then, but you just want a bigger screen, I can think of people that would be perfect for. I can imagine them.
Would it have to get a little thicker because of like bigger screen, bigger battery?
I don't know if it does or not. These things are fairly power efficient at this point. Plus, they can make these batteries thin. It'll extend larger because of the footprint without necessarily needing to be fatter.
I see. Right.
Talking about surface area here. Shout out Laterverse.
Man, I'm a big fan of the matching colored cable.
You know, something happened with this midnight thing, by the way, where somebody zoomed right in on one of the ports and they saw that the color was already chipping off.
Uh-oh.
No, go ahead, Mo.
Oh my God, that's horrible.
Go ahead.
That's the midnight one that I was looking forward to. However, Marquez was reviewing its like hands-on whatever, and he was saying that it's a fingerprint magnet.
Mm-hmm.
The matte black one.
Yeah.
Or midnight, whatever they're calling it.
What if it's a chip magnet as well?
Well, that's a huge problem.
What if it's a scratch magnet as well?
No, none of this is any good.
Go ahead, Mo.
Yeah, it's no good.
You're out? You just switched the color?
No, I don't know if I'm out. This is just a rumor, right? I still really like the black.
No. It's not a rumor. There's evidence.
This is for sure happened?
By the way, Apple has done these kind of colors before. And maybe they're not the most durable. I don't know. I said durable.
Really?
I just said the first part of it.
Right. Right. You just stopped.
I had other words to get to.
Okay, well, I really hope this is not the case.
Yeah.
Do you think they would replace it if it did?
I mean, at a certain point, probably, if it became a big enough issue.
Right. Okay.
Many people affected and so forth. But it's just cool and new, so I got to give it a crack.
No, me too.
I got to give it a 1-2.
Mm-hmm.
I got to give it a left-right. I got to give it an up-down. So, but anyway, maybe a 15-inch is going to be a better deal for some people. Thin and light, stupid thin, however, bigger screen. And then this 12-inch is like the ultra-portable masterpiece. They go ahead and make that. Maybe they get it down to 2 pounds. I don't know. They're at what, 2.7 right now, and the 13.6 or whatever that new thing is. Measuring away from the notch. Stay away from that notch. The measurement's just going, dee, 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 dee. Whoa! Let's go this way. Dodge the notch on the... It's a ruler, but it has a notch on it.
Yeah, like a roundabout.
It might. Apple's doing well. Look at the little chart. Look at the little graph. 9% of the market. PC push. Dell's up there, in there. HP, Lenovo, and others. Now you got to remember, Apple doesn't sell like a super cheap personal computer.
Mm-hmm.
whereas other brands do. Apple, you want to play ball, you want to come to Apple's party, you pay. You see, you pay. You see, you buy. You break, you buy.
I'm really surprised how Apple's only 9%. It's under 10%.
No. It's good.
Do you think it's because like HP makes deals with like large businesses and Dell makes deals with large businesses?
It's cost, dude. It's cost.
It's just straight up just cost.
Not everybody, business, institution, so forth, school, education. Not everybody's going to be buying $1,000 laptop for everything. In a lot of cases, you don't need it. Yeah. It's a luxury, some might say. I know for you don't care, but you have how many of these things and Ultra this and that, and my name is Mo and this and that.
My name is
Mo Ultra.
Yeah, I mean, I don't need to tell you. But it's a big world out there, Mo. A lot of people doing a lot of things.
No, this is very interesting. I didn't know.
A lot of people doing a lot of things. I got to let you know.
And only 9% on a Mac.
Will, you're in a good mood
what's
today.
happening?
You're in a good mood today.
You're in a good mood today.
You're in a great... I never saw you smile this much at this point in the show. Usually this point in the show, you're just clickety-clacking.
Well, it's a nervous kind of laugh.
This is you.
I don't know what you're doing.
It's a nervous laugh, he says.
Well, you want to know something? Well, you want to know?
Yeah, but hey,
let me give you all types of
chaos.
Let me give you all types of comfort right now. You said to me moments ago that you don't know what I'm doing. Well, here's some comfort for you. I don't know what I'm doing.
Did you see that coming, Will?
Yeehaw!
Yeah. Well, who really knows
Yeah.
in life,
Easy, Will. Getting carried away over there. Will's like, yeah, let's lean into this. He goes, zooms all the way out, and the people are like, geez, Will.
Yeah.
It's a bit serious. Who really knows in life?
Yeah.
15-inch model, that's what we know. Apple's going to make one, 2023, so they say. Well, Gurman says it. Bloomberg says it. I don't even know if it's Gurman. Shout out Daniel. Shout out Brevin. Brevin says, you tell me to buy, I buy. You tell me to sell, I sell.
Right.
You tell me to go ahead, I go ahead. You show me enough times, I also buy. I see it, I buy it.
A nice little rhyme.
Well, obviously, this individual has invested the correct amount of time in the later education system.
Education.
12-inch MacBook hasn't been around for a while, but I was a little bit of a fan of the previous version, which was super duper portable. It was underpowered, however. I tried to do stuff on it. I tried to make a beat here and there on that thing when it existed. Look how the keyboard extends right to the edges, but it was underpowered compared to the other options. It had a tiny little power brick as well. It's about time they come back to it now that they've made so much progress as far as their own chips are concerned. They can figure this one out. Tremendous battery life on the tray table. You're on the airplane. You're on the airplane. You know where you're going?
No. What do you mean?
On the airplane.
Yeah, I'm on the airplane.
Do you know where you're going?
No, I don't know where I'm going. What do you mean? I don't know where I'm going. You put me on a plane.
Listen, if you're going to board an airplane, you best know where you're going.
Yes. But I'm not bored. I'm so confused here.
My advice to you is don't get on an airplane if you don't know where you're going.
Okay.
That's my advice to everybody.
What is going on? That was like sincere advice after the most confusing interaction.